Hi, good day. My name is Sonu Kumar. I can certainly help you with the small presentation of the UI UX scenario of ABC Payroll. The UI scenario for ABC Payroll is focused on the improving the user interface and experience of the human capital management software as a SaaS company providing HCM service to client in New Zealand and Australia. ABC Payroll is struggling with the outdated technology and ensure their tech stock is compliant with government regulation. To address this challenge, the company wants to redesign the software interface to improve visibility and streamline workflow. The key clients of ABC Payroll is global training company and larger recruitment agencies. So it's important that the new interface is intuitive and user friendly for both HR and the employee. User interface of ABC Payroll need to be user friendly, intuitive, and visual appealing. Users should be able to navigate the software with ease and find what they need quickly. The key feature of product is timesheet, leave request, payslips, payrolls, and invoicing should be clearly visible and accessible from the main menu. A dashboard that provides an overall of users' accounts such as outstanding invoice and pending leave request would be also be useful. The UI should also be responsive, meaning that it should work well on desktop, laptop, tablets, and the smartphones. User experience. The user experience of ABC Payroll is crucial and ensuring that the user have the positive experience while they using the software. The software should be easy to use with the clear instructions and prompts that guide users through the process of entering their timesheets, submitting leave requests, and generating pay slips. The software should also be reliable and secure, ensure that users' personal and financial data is protected. The user's experience should also into account of take into accounts of needs and different types of users such as employee, manager, and the HR administrator who may have different level of access and different requirement for their software for the software purpose proposed solution. Redesign the user interface UI of ABC Payroll. The current UI of ABC Payroll is outdated and unresponsive, making it difficult for user to navigate and use the product. By redesigning the UI and modern and the responsive design, user can easily access the use of product features. This will improve the overall user's experience of ABC Payroll. Incorporate user feedback. ABC Payroll should regularly gather feedback from its user to understand their problem, pain points, and needs. By incorporating these feedbacks into the design, the development process, ABC Payroll can build a product that tailored to the needs of its user, ensure compliant with the government regulation. ABC Payroll's key clients are mostly global training company and larger recruitment agency. It is critical that ABC Payroll ensure compliance with government regulation. This can be achieved by conducting regular audits and making necessary changes to help to the product to meet the compliance standards. Design solution. Simplify dashboard. The dashboard should be very simple and easy to navigate, displaying key information such as number of employee, pay periods, and the pending request. Intuitive navigation. The navigation should be intuitive with the clear and conscious label for each section. Clear call to action. Call to action such as submit timesheet or approve leave request should be clear and prominent, making it easy for user to take action. Complaint notification. Complaint notification should be included in the interface, alerting users for any issue that need attention. Customizable features. This feature should be customizable to allow the client to adjust setting to their specific need, such as adding custom field or changing layouts. It's better for the each company with the white labeling. Overall, our purpose Our proposed solution aim to enhance the user experience of ABC payroll platform while ensuring the platform is fully compliant with the government regulation. By implementing this solution, we believe that ABC Payroll will be able to improve its service and attract more clients, thereby encouraging its growth and success in the market. We started with the flow of the flow of the each task. Like here is the sample of the timesheet flow. You can go come with the home screen, click the timesheet menu, create the timesheet, view timesheets. There is a two options. One, create the timesheet, then you can add row to add to task and the save and validate. For validation you can send to the manager. Manager can approve or reject or revalidate, and you can edit the data. But you can view the previous timesheets and other timesheets too. This is the simple user flow of timesheet only. And here is the visual designs of this application. With the this is the first screen. I call it the splash screen. You can come through, and with the these two button you can choose your role and work accordingly. The first role is for human resource like HR and admins. So I can go through that. When you log into the screen, you can come to the dashboards. Here is the important data come here like the new employee average salary, average overtime, KPIs of and the date and the like morning welcome notes and the different department expenses and average performance, overtime, average expenses, bonus performance. In menu, you can find the employee, payroll, leave request, invoice, company, and setting. In settings, you can change layouts and add columns and remove columns and informations from there. That is okay. With the clicking on the employee, this is the employee list. You can search each employee and whether their department and directly search from here. You can add a new employee from here. In payroll, you can check the what's the total payroll and what's the deadline, all information from here. And you can print the report. There is a visual representation of the each employee and what's the total gross pay, tax, total pay, and their status like complete, pending, and fail. You can edit from here. Leave request. When employee request a leave, you can approve from here. In the different department, you can simply click the leave card and you can approve, reject, and modify it later. Okay, create time offs too. In invoice sections, there the you can add invoice. You can check the all invoice like total invoice paid, unpaid, overdue, and draft. Expenses overview, the total income and outcome, expenses for the month, and you can add fund details, team salary invoice, office inventory. There is a subscription based software. You can check this out from here and you can download the invoice and print the invoice. The revenue overview is here and the total income and total outcome. This is the percentage of this month. When you add the invoice, you can edit from here. You can add items and all the things, and with the total amount you can send, preview, and download the invoice. So I focused on the HR. In HR persona. I done dashboard, employee, payroll, leave request, the HR can approve, and the senior team member, invoice, and the invoice preview. I have other persona for the employee. So you can go through the employee and then create the add the login detail, and you can go through the dashboard. Here the basically their task progress, quick access. If you have the any pending work and inbox, you can find it here. And the holiday list, leave. If your team is on leave, you can that will appear here. You can check the your leave balance here, and the post of the post announcement poll and page for the from the company post. And there the notification about the birthday, anniversary, and new joining is pop up here. In the employee section, I added this column, my profile, timesheet, the leave request, pay slip. So you can the in my profile there is the like attendance statistics, like my and the my teams. So you can check the how the average working hour of the last week, month, or day, timing, and the actions you can punch in here, and the attendance will be attendance will be calculated at that times. The attendance set statistics attendance list is there, like the weekly off, number of hours, gross hours, arrival time. If you're late, then it is inducted late, and if you're on time, then it is a quick tick. There's a lots of there is the pagination. You can check more for timesheet. Our main focus on the timesheet. The timesheet is like you can add timesheets and task and all the details from here. For timesheet, all timesheet, there is a like March 13 to March 19 to 2023. So there is a total billable hour, non-billable hour, and total working hour. You can project you can find from the add task, and add hours from there, and add notes too. The main calendar is like this. You can add each task, or you can check for that. There is a other leave for the employee right now. You can the pending leave request is nothing here. It's for April 22 to March 23. You can change it for the previous, and the you can previous view. You can apply leave from here. You can check the you total leave patterns, consume leave type, and monthly status. You can check the leave balance from here. And after the when you click the apply leave button, then you have gone through the leave request form. You can select from date to date, select the type of leave, note, and if you want to inform the other team member, or the project manager and the manager, you can add search that employee from here, and send leave request. They will inform uh, when when you add the employee, this employee will be notified through the email when your leave request is approved. Then they will work accordingly according to their leave. This is the payslip part. So you can easily download and check the payslip of the previous month or current month. So you can check it out from the year 23. There is only two leaves for February, March, and you can add January too. So you can download it from here, and that's it. This is the small presentations of ABC payroll. Hope you like it. Thank you.